Hi, welcome to day 2 of Cloud Workshop. I am Reshma, Cloud Developer at Swati Technologies. In this video, we are focusing on how we can build relationship between custom objects in an app, and also we will discuss how we can create interactive user interface by using page layouts and search layouts. So we are moving to relationship. Like personal relationship between two persons, it's also a two-way association between custom objects. We have two objects in an app, say object 1 and object 2. Without a relationship, there is no linking between these objects. An app is not all that powerful unless its object have links to other objects in an app. So we are going to build a relationship between these objects. With relationship, we can make connection between two objects, and we can also display the detail of one object in the other object record detail page. We have two types of relationships: lookup relationships and master detail relationship. Let's discuss what is lookup relationship. It is an optional relationship in an app, and it is the simplest and most flexible type. Consider we have one position vacant in our organization, so multiple candidate can apply to that particular position. We can create multiple job application record for that particular position. We can create it through while creating a lookup relationship in job application object. We can place the lookup relationship in job application which will link to particular position record. The important point to remember that what happens if the position record deletes. If the position record object get deleted, the associated job application record still remains. So these job application records will not gives any values. They do not give any values to us when we taken it out from the context of position record. If we delete the particular position record, that associated job application still remains. So we can say it is not that much strong relationship in an app. So that is about lookup relationship. Let's see the impact of lookup relationship in our recruiting app. So I am going to create an lookup relationship in job application. For that, from setup area, click objects. Click the job application object. In the custom field and relationships, click new. From here, choose the field type as lookup relationship and click next. Here choose to which object we have to relate the lookup relationship. So I am choosing position. Click next. Here we have to enter a field label. So I am going to give session title. So it automatically populated. Click next. Accept the default values. Next. Here also accept the default layout as next. Here we can save our lookup relationship. So our lookup relationship is created as position title. Here we can see the lookup as data type. I have already created one lookup relationship for candidate because multiple candidate can apply for one position. So let's see what happens if one record is job application record is deleted, position record is deleted. What happens to job application? Go to position, So we have this much position, and while clicking job application tab, we have a job application, job 15, which is applied for sales manager. So we can go to position tab. If I am going to delete this sales manager position record, delete. Okay, let's go to job application, the job 15. Show the position title as empty value, because using lookup relationship, if we delete the position record, the job application record still remains and show null value. This job application will not give any meaning if we taken it out from the position record context. So that's about lookup relationship. Now let's discuss what is master detail relationships. Master detail relationship is like parent-child relationship. The detail should have a master object. So the most advantage of master detail relationship is we can create a roll-up summary on the master object based on the detail object. So what is roll-up summary? Why do we need roll-up summary? Consider the candidate who's applied for particular position in an organization. The candidate should go through different interview phases, so each interviewer will report their own review for that particular candidate. While placing roll-up summary regarding how many reviews can happen for particular candidate on the job application, we can analyze the overall performance of that candidate in the throughout the interviews had already covered. So for this purpose we use roll-up summary. This is the one advantage with master detail relationship. And also, what all sharing and security ownership features we have given for master record, it automatically derived by the detail record. So, and also record deletion. When we delete a record of master object, the detail record automatically get deleted, because detail record cascade the record deletion of master object. Let's see what happens. Here job application is the master object and review are the detail object. If we delete the job application object, what happen? Let's see. If we delete job application, the associated detail also get deleted. This is the another advantage of master detail relationship. It cascade the record deletion and cascade security, sharing and ownership features which have the master, which are associated with master object. So let's have a quick demo of the master detail relationship. We have seen job application is the master object and review are the associated detail object. So we are going to create a master detail relationship in review object. So in the review custom fields and relationship, create, click new. Here choose field type as master detail relationship. We have already created lookup relationship, like that only we can create master detail relationship. I am not going to give the whole step, I am just cancel, because I have already created the master detail relationship in review object. Here we can see job application as data type master detail. So we have created the master detail relationship in review. We have talked about the advantage roll-up summary we can create on master object based on the detail object. So we can go how we can create that roll-up summary. So go to job application object job application object. Here click new. In that click roll-up summary. Data type as roll-up summary. Click next. In field label we can give any field label. Field name automatically populated. Click next. Here on which object we have to summarize the roll-up. So review such detail object, so we can choose review, and based on if we want to calculate the total number of reviews has happened, we can choose count. If we want to take average, we can choose the sum and divide by the count. I have already created the roll-up summary in job application, so let's see what happened. So in job application details list, I have already created total rating, roll-up summary as sum review, and I have already created roll-up summary number of reviews as count review. We can see here data type as roll-up summary count review. If we take particular job application with review, we can see total number of reviews we can have 3 and total rating 13, and we can take average 4.33. These fields are associated with review object, and we have already talked about the if we delete master record, what happens to detail record. Here we have this much reviews. These reviews are associated with job application 5. Here I am going to delete the job application record 5. Let's see what happened. I am going to delete the job application record detail 5. Okay, now let's go to review tab. Here the review associated with job application 5 has get deleted. And I have already told roll-up summary can only be created on master object. Let's say take one candidate object, because candidate object is not master for any other object. In the candidate object, if we click new, in that roll-up summary field is disabled, because candidate is not a master detail. We cannot create roll-up summary here. Only on the master object we can create roll-up summary. So that's about master detail relationship. Let's talk about many-to-many relationship. We have an object that stores information about various employment websites like monster.com, Naukri, Dice, etc. And we want to track which open position we posted to those sites. For that we have open position objects. So we need a many-to-many relationship between position and employment website, because one position can be posted on many websites, and one employment site could list many positions. So how we do many-to-many relationship in database? We use a junction table, right? Same here, we use a junction object. Here we have created a junction object called job posting. A job posting always represent a single position posted on a single website. So job posting have a many-to-one relationship between both position and the employment website. Through those many-to-one relationship between position and employment website, we can have many-to-many relationship. Let's have a quick demo how we can demonstrate in our app. So here I have created a custom object called job posting, and in that I have created two master detail relationship. One master detail relationship between employment website and another with position. Hence we can enable the many to many relationship between position and employment website. Let's check. Let's go to position tab. Click on any position like DBA. In DBA, in the employment website related list, we can see it is posted on Naukri and Monster. Likewise, if we go to employment website, click Naukri. Here we can see multiple position is posted on Naukri. So we just created many to many relationship between position and employment website. After building Lookup master detail many to many relationship, the entire structure of our recruiting app looks like this. Position object have linked to job application. In the related list we can see the position and employment website, and position object and many to many relationship with employment website through the junction object job posting, and job application is a master object which has a detail object called review object, and it also have lookup relationship between candidate object. So let's move on. Page layouts. How we can use page layout to make interactive user interface. Page layouts control the position and organization of fields and related list, and we can group particular fields based on our wish. It contains drag and drop components. We can just drag the component and drop it to the place where we want. So we can make an interactive website within second, and we can also set the fields as read only, hidden and required, but it should recommend that we should not hide any sensitive data or field in the page layout using page layout. It should do with security and sharing rules. So this is the page layouts. We can make interactive user interface using page layouts. And another is search layout. Search layout helps the user to locate the record quickly. He no need to worry about where the record is saved, where he want to search. He don't worry. Search layout is here to help him or her. We have these types of search layouts: search result, list view, lookup dialogues, tabs, search filter fields. Let's have a glance what all they are. Let's see what is page layout and how we can make interactive user interface using that page layouts. So I have created position object. In that we have a page layout related list. From that I am going to edit a page layout. Let's see what happened. Here this is called the palette. From this palette we can drag a section into the layout. In section we can set if we want one column, two column, etc. I'm just cancel because I have already created this, and we can option to drag and drop this field to particular section if we want. So if we just drag and drop, we can drag the field to anywhere. If we want to drop, it should display like green color. Okay, so this is about page layout. We can here using information section, it is group the fields as we want, and we have different types of section here for grouping or organizing our fields. And it is star symbol indicate that field is required, and the log symbol indicate, here we can see log symbol indicate it's a read only field. Okay, this is all about our page layout. Okay, let's move on to search layouts. Search layouts help us to locate our record quickly. Here we can see a search bar here. Here if we want to search any particular record, we can just simply type here. If I want to candidate with number 001, okay, then plus enter, we will get the entire detail of that particular record: candidate number, first name, last name, city. If we want to filter according to their name, if we want to filter them, just click show filter. In this first name, I am going to give the first name of the candidate. I am going to give Anu, then plus enter. So it is filtered by first name Anu. So here also we can use filter. And another search layout is tab. If I click job application tab, we can see the recently viewed record. So it is another way to search our record quickly. And we can also create a new view. If I have already created a new view, because status list, my name status list. If we click go, it only display status has new job application. So we can give certain criteria for displaying our record also. This is also a quick way to locate our record. And another search layout is lookup dialogues. If we click particular job record, and if we click edit, using this lookup dialog also we can search the candidate. Or if I click this position lookup, we can also locate the position record. These all are the search layouts we are using in our app for locating our record quickly. So we build relationship between custom objects. We have created interactive user interface using page layout and search layouts. Hope this video will help you. Thank you and all the best.